Hi everyone, let's graph a line from an equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So here's the example, y equals 2/3 x minus 1. The first step is to put a point on the y-intercept. So if I take a look at my equation, I can see that the y-intercept, or the b, equals -1. So I'm going to put a point on -1. So I already have one point on my graph. Then I'm going to use the slope to find the next point. So my slope is 2/3, that's my m. So from the point that I just put, the y-intercept, I'm going to apply the slope to that point. So my slope is rise of 2. So I'll do little lines. It's a rise of 2, so up 1, up 2, and a run of 3. 1, 2, 3. So then my next point is at 3, 1. I applied the slope from my first point. And now I have 2 points, so I can draw a line through my 2 points, and that is a sketch of the graph.